Hello, good morning, my dear students. Welcome to online classes from MGVC Arts, Commerce and Science College, Mudebihar. It's the Department of Chemistry and myself, Professor Umar Farooq Halia. Today, going to take for your BSc 4th SEM class, the first class. Before starting the class, please subscribe my YouTube channel to get regular updates of your class videos. So in today's class we are going discussing about the topic carboxylic acid. So this containing introduction of carboxylic acid, their classification, nomenclature and the preparation of carboxylic acid and the physical characteristics. So carboxylic acid is an organic compound that contains a carboxylic group, that is COOH. So this COOH carboxylic group itself made up of carbonyl group, that is C double bond O, and hydroxyl group. Generally the formula will be like this: RC double bond O bond OH. And the function group of carboxylic acid consists of a C double bond O with OH bonded with the same carbon, and this carboxylic group is usually written as COOH. So these aliphatic acids have an alkyl group bonded to carboxylic, that is COOH group, and this is aromatic acids have an aryl group. And now coming for the nomenclature, for IUPAC name, these acids derived from the name of alkanes containing the same number of carbon atom as each acid, but the ending E of the alkane name is replaced with suffix IOC acid or IOC acid. For example, methane, here changing or replacing E by OIC, that will becomes methanoic acid. That propane, in the propane we replacing E by OIC, we get propanoic acid. For common name, it is named on the basis of source from which it was isolated, like butyric acid or butyrum means butter, formic acid, formica means ant. Some physical properties of carboxylic acid: they are lower carboxylic acid are liquid with disagreeable odors, and the boiling and melting point of carboxylic acid increases with increasing in the molecular weight. So this carboxylic acid is associated with dimeric structures and intermolecular interaction with each other. So it has higher boiling point for the carboxylic acid. And these carboxylic acids, they also react with water molecules by hydrogen bonding through carbonyl and hydroxyl groups. And because of this hydrogen bonding, the interaction of carboxylic acids are more water soluble than alcohol or ethers, aldehydes and ketones. When we coming for the spectroscopic region for the carboxylic acid, here infrared spectroscopy, when scratching this carbonyl group, it is observed 1700 centimeter to 1725 centimeter. And in the NMR spectroscopy, the chemical shift of carbonyl compounds are observed, that is delta 2 to delta 2.5. These are the some physical properties of carboxylic acid. And coming for The acidity of carboxylic acid. These carboxylic acids are weak acids and they are going to ionizing in water. As you saw the following equation, that RCOH is the carboxylic acid when reacting with water molecule, here undergoing and reversible reaction, that we get RCOO, that is carbonyl group, plus H3O plus, that is the protonated water, and the equilibrium constant is, that is K equilibrium. Here Ka value of carboxylic acid falls within the range of 10 to 4 minus 4 to 10 to minus 5, and the Ka value for acetic acid is 1.74 into 10 to minus 5. See here the equilibrium constant K equilibrium is equal to R equilibrium RCO minus and equilibrium H3O plus divided by equilibrium RCOH into equilibrium H2O. And when we moving for the next bit, that is ionization constant, that is Ka. So in the pK value of carboxylic acids falls within the range of 4 to 5, and the pK value of acetic acid is 4.76. Coming for the ionization constant, Ka is equal to K equilibrium of water, that is equal to RCO minus equilibrium H plus divided by equilibrium RCOH. So therefore pK is equal to minus log of K. This is the acidity of carboxylic acid. Next one, why these carboxylic acids is more acidic than alcohol. The first point, here these having the lesser pK greater the acidity. Whenever the value of pK is less, in that case the acidity is having a higher value, that is equal to pK value for acid is in the range 4 to 5, and in the same alcohol the acidity value is 14 to 16. So see only here, as we compared alcohol and carboxylic acid, there is a lot of difference in the acidity values. So next point here, the ionization of carboxylic acids leads the delocalization or shifting of negative charge from one oxygen to the another oxygen. So hence here the separation and creation of unlike charges to produce force drive to ionize. Here in the second point, when we compare the acidity of carboxylic acid with alcohol, the delocalization or shifting of the negative charges from one oxygen to other oxygen, because of that here alcohol is having the higher acidity. The next point, so the equilibrium shifted to right side and carboxylic acid ionizes fastly than alcohol, and the ionization of alcohol to produce an ion, and there is no delocalization of charge, and hence it ionization slowly and equilibrium is shifted to left. See the below, that's alcohol CH3COOH, so that is carboxylic acid. When undergoing chemical equilibrium, that becomes CH3 COO minus, the reversible reaction occurring CH3 COO minus. In the alcohol, that is CH3 CH2OH, in the reversible reaction that we get as CH3 CH2O minus plus H plus. Why carboxylic acid is more acidic than alcohol? The next third point, there is a difference in electronegativity between carbon and oxygen. Here some difference will be occurring in the electronegativity value of carbon and oxygen. Here some partial positive charge on carbonyl carbon compound which induces the polarization of electron on the OH bond. Depends upon the electronegativity value of carbon and oxygen molecule or atom. Here the electron withdrawing effect of carbonyl carbon weakens with OH bond and it facilitates ionization of carboxylic acid as compared to alcohol. See here CH3COO C11O minus C bond OH. Here the polarization occurs. Here effect of some substituents on acidity of carboxylic acid. Here some electronic withdrawing group like chlorine, bromine, fluorine, these are increases their acidity. Because of that, here the carboxylic acid is less acidic, and some electron withdrawing group withdraws the electron density from the carboxylic group and their equilibrium shifted to right, that increases acidity of carboxylic acid. Here as you know, the electron withdrawing groups like chlorine, bromine and fluorine, when we are going to shifting for the equilibrium to the right side, in that case the carboxylic acids acidity will be going to increases. Then some electronic donating groups like OH, NH2, that decreases the acidity. Why? Here only the reason these electronic donating groups donates or adds electron density to carboxylic group and their equilibrium shifted to left, that decreases acidity of carboxylic acid. See here the reaction below. RCOH, this is our carboxylic acid. So our this carboxylic acid, as we know, weak acid. When this weak acid is when reacting with electronic withdrawing group like chlorine, bromine or fluorine, what happens? Here see RCOCl. Here for our carboxyl group, one chlorine atom is attached, that become acyl chloride. So it is more acidic than acid. And instead of chlorine we have to use bromine, we called as acyl bromide. Instead of this we have to use fluorine, that becomes acyl bromide, that is RCOBr or RCOF. And the same case, when this weak acid carboxylic acid is reacting with amide, that is RCONH2, these are less acidic than carboxylic acid. Instead of we have to use RCOOH, that is also less. So thank you for watching the class. Dear students, if you have any questions regarding to this session, you have asked me, I will answer that questions. So stay safe in your home and watch the videos.